Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to sell on WIX. So let's go to the WIX dashboard first. Then you have to write here WIX store. Click on WIX stores and you'll find here these WIX stores. Click on this. Now click on open. Here you can see that your WIX stores has been updated. Here you can see that your WIX store has been added. Now you'll find these products here. If you want to add more products or add new products, click on new products, click on physical product, and then you can add your product images or videos. You can add your basic info, product name, ribbon, the product description here, and you can most importantly you can add the pricing here. Click on sale. You can make the discount or selling price. After that you have to click on save. After click on save, your product will be saved on WIX and it will be ready for sale. Okay, so this is how you can sell on WIX. Guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.